This is the brief on hydrostatic equilibrium. So, we're looking at a principle that spans from fundamental physics all the way up to cosmic scales. It breaks down this really precise balance of forces that explains how pressure changes in any fluid that's just not moving. Think about it, from a simple glass of water to the very core of a star. First, what is hydrostatic equilibrium? Well, it's pretty much the state where a fluid is completely still, and that's because, deep down, every single force is perfectly balanced. You've got gravity pulling everything inward, right? But then you have this outward force from the pressure building up from below, what we call the pressure gradient, and it pushes back exactly enough. The result? Zero movement. Second, this perfect balance has a really clear consequence for pressure, especially in a place where gravity is constant, like here on Earth. The pressure increases linearly as you go deeper. So the further down you go, the more the pressure builds up. And the key is, it happens at a totally steady, predictable rate. We can actually calculate exactly how much pressure you'd feel. Finally, this principle is what creates stability on an absolutely immense scale. I mean, it's not just about our oceans or atmospheres. On a cosmic level, this is literally why stars don't just collapse. You have this incredible inward crush of a star's own gravity, but it's perfectly balanced by the insane thermal and radiation pressure pushing out from its core. So at the end of the day, any stationary fluid is fundamentally defined by that perfect, predictable balance between gravity pushing down and pressure pushing up.